How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications from Twitter. So you want to go ahead and open up the Twitter app and select your profile in the top left, and then come down to settings and support and select settings and privacy. From here you want to scroll down and press the notifications section where the bell is, and then preferences, and at the very bottom you'll see email notifications. So as you can see at the top, there is a toggle button which you can turn off, and that'll disable all email notifications. Although if you want some email notifications to stay on, you can simply keep them ticked. But for now we'll just disable everything, and then once you disable that, you won't get any email notifications from Twitter. So thank you for watching.